Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So today what we've been working on is a brand new unregistered Toyota Hilux. What we've upgraded this vehicle with is the lighting system. So we've added in a light bar on the roof. We've also added work lamps overlooking the loading bay. And then we've added 2 reverse lights as well. So an absolutely transformation of the lighting system on this vehicle. So the light bar is an amber light bar, which we can customize to basically however you want your light bar set up. We also can do completely custom light bar solutions. So whether you want writing within there, which we've done a video on as well for an airport authorities, but we can do practically anything you want in terms of lighting. We've also done some insane systems on a Audi SQ7 and a Ford Transit van. Feel free to check those videos out as well. But what we've added on in terms of the lighting overlooking the loading bay, those are Lazer lights. They are one of the best lighting systems that you can buy on the market currently. Phenomenal quality, and also depending on system, you'll get 2 to a 5-year warranty on them as well. Then we've added on the reverse lights. They're in really nice hidden locations just to add on a little bit of extra light when they're reversing. So if you're looking into any commercial installation of adding in lighting, racking system or vehicle tracking, or any installation for that matter, even on plant vehicles, feel free to get in touch with us. I'll drop all our contact details below so you have all of them to hand. But thank you very much for watching this very short video on a quick introduction on this Toyota Hilux and the lighting upgrade that we've carried out. So thank you once again, and we look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.